the negative. Therefore, you have to use ionization. Ionizers are producing a lot of electrons, and the last side you will find a lot of positive charge.
It's extremely important, this open circuit measurement, so that you can. It's not your footwear is not ESD Control footwear.
No, it's not.
It's kind of some improvement.
One of the words for HDM.
I have the honor to welcome the vice dean of the university here in Győr, very clearly, and he will give a short opening speech. Okay, thank you very much.
So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, friends, and distinguished guests. It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the European EOS ESD Symposium, Management Symposium 2025.
He is involved in the creation and revision of international standards, delivers training and supports Value of Plants International. Probably also in German.
Yeah, I do that.
Okay, good. Then the stage is yours.
Thank you.
He was the score of my ionizers.
Yeah.
You see on the left very high voltages because there's surcharge that monitors with so high.
Dramatically, I've been increasing dramatically the decay time.
In electrical engineering from University.
Thank you. So today I'm going to give you a little history on ESD 2020. So what I'd like to do is outline a little bit what we're going to do. I'm just going to introduce you to what the ESD Association is. We're going to go through the history of 2020. This is one of the standards obviously that everybody knows about.
ESD Control is 3 facilities.
So good afternoon everybody. My name is I work for Harman for 10 years as an ESD coordinator, and in this presentation I just would like to share my experiences regarding
Recyclist diploma in physics from the Technical University of Munich in 1987. And since 1991 he has been an active member of German ESD Association.
Process assessment, process to introduce you Silvia. She's from the university here in Győr.
First presenter is Rondó from the Több University. He is a PhD student and assistant lecturer at the University.
It's really dependent on the environment that we learn. So which I will try to answer you today. The first one is a little bit introduced from our ESD laboratory.
Tony has written more than 30 publications related to electrostatics or ESD. He has been a chair of the Finnish SDAHA Association since 2006.
Metal machine being in the cardboard, so the current is not going on the surface, keeping 2 points from the circle.
After graduating with Master of Science in Plastics Technology, Tapio has total 22 years of professional experience in the plastics sector, 14 of which have been in R&D technical support. Tapio has been working in the field of ESD protection since 2007 and gaining extensive experience in developing and maintaining
of many different trades, because the colleagues take a standard out and so
which is supports on-time process monitoring and helps the defend against warranty claims or failures in the prototype system. Its purpose was to validate the automation approach, both motion measurements under real conditions, also provided a test bed for future interactions.
We don't have a specific topic today, as I mentioned before, since we have already had a lot of presentations. Yeah? Or any other urgent questions with respect to ESD, customer issues, or whatever.
So one thing about a charged board event, it's difficult to know what it is, difficult to predict it, it's difficult to stop it.
They charge 4 amps and 5 amps and 2 amps easily. So that's why we saw it.
If it works or not. So the maximum required levels are 4 kV.
Local support. And the biggest thanks goes to Imre and his Rondó team. So thank you very much, Imre. You and your team, also with Attila, you did a great job. I think it was a good event here, and hopefully we can organize another one in 2 years, wherever in Europe, we don't know yet. And the only thing I can last over is, I wish you a good trip home and not a lot of ESD problems. Some are important, otherwise